With Bill and Ted Face the Music having just come out, I figured I'd recommend another movie that jumps around through time and is farcical. It's from the guys who made Monty Python and the Holy Grail, and it's called Time Bandits. It's about a young historian named Kevin who gets entangled with 6 dwarves, and they jump around in time, and as the name suggests, they are bandits, so they steal things from history. Right? They go to Napoleon and try to steal his wealth, and so forth. Now, the dwarves themselves actually worked for the Supreme Being, aka God, and the map is a map of history, and they've kind of stolen it from the Supreme Being. Now, the evil one, he wants to get his hands on this map, so that's the antagonist, and there's a lot of interesting thoughts and conflicts that go into this, so it's funny and really, really smart, so worth checking out, Time Bandits. Let me know what you think if you do.